Good morning, everyone. Today we are talking about the Doji candle. Welcome to Beulah FX. The Doji candle represented in this kind of form in the market. This is how the candle is being represented on the chart. Let me draw the market back so that I can be able to show you how the candle is being represented. The candle, they are mostly this most tiny, almost invisible candle on the chart. As you can see, they are the candle, they have different name and different representative in the market. Now, recently I dropped a presentation on my channel, which I believe that most of you might have gone through this graphics. So this is the doji candles. Now let's read through what the doji is all about. A doji candle is a type of candlestick pattern that signals indecision in the market. You can read the rest yourself. I believe you have gone through it. But let me stop here and explain. A doji candle is a type of candlestick pattern that signals indecision in the market. That is, when the kind of candle is being displayed, you can't actually tell if the market is going to buy or if it's going to sell, because there is indecision in the market between the buyers and the sellers. So in that case, you will wait for confirmation before you enter the market. So look at the type of candle. We have different type of candle. This is a standard doji candle. The standard doji candle, classic form with equal wick on both sides and a very small body. It suggests equal indecision between buyers and sellers. That is, buyers no grey, sellers no grey. So in this type of case, you will not know this side to what to predict the market. So it will be better for you to wait. You will wait for confirmation. How do you confirm? When there is this type of doji, which means that there is indecision between buyers and sellers, what you need to do is to wait. If the market take the uptrend, that is the buying side, wait after the first buying candle. If the other candle is buying still, from that point you can buy for 1 minute. And if the market should take the other way around, which is selling, you after the first selling candle, the other candle that should be formed after, if it's still selling, from that point you can sell for 1 minute. But whenever this doji candle is being displayed immediately, don't quickly predict the market to be on the buying side or on the selling side. That's what it means. So take a look at this type of candle and then let's go to the market and see if we can be able to see any representative of it from the chart. Let me select another currency pair. Let's see if we can be able to see the representative over here for us to be so clear and sure about what we are explaining here. One more time, let me look. Okay, this is the type of candle we are looking for. Hopefully we find it soon. Okay, this is one of the candle over here. This is one of it over here. There's indecision in the market. You know, after that what? After that move, the market start what? Buying. It bought for some time and then the market sold. It was after then that the market now bought for some time, as you can see in the market. That is the reason why I say you should always wait for confirmation. Always wait for confirmation. And as you stick to the plan, it will work good for you. So this is the first type of the doji candle and its representative. Now let's go to the other type of candle. So this is the other type of doji candle, which is a gravestone doji. Has a long wick upper wick with no lower wick and a small body at the bottom. Okay, it indicates that buyers push the price up. Buyers push the price up to be on the move. You will see a particular candle that is going up. In small time, you will see that it will now reduce down to this type of candle. Which it means what? It indicates that buyer put the price up, but seller drove it back down. They drove it back down. Immediately, this one is going to shift on this type of candle and form another candle. Often seen at the end of an uptrend. This thing is mostly seen at the end of an uptrend. That means when market has been going up, and you see that a particular candle will now do this. Bring it down to this point. And what does this signify? It signifies that it signifies that a potential bearish reversal, that is, there's most likely that the market is going to reverse. That is, remember I say that almost or often seen at the end of an uptrend. So that is, the market has been on the upside. So when the seller now push it back to this point, that is, we now found this type of gravestone doji, it means that there is likely a potential bearish reversal. That's the market is going to be favoring the selling side. At this point, you can even place your trade on 2, 3, 5 minutes. Likely is going to enter because the winning rate is around 84% after the display of this kind of doji candle after a long run of bullish trend. Remember. So let's go to the chart and then probably we'll find this type of doji and then we can be able to represent it in this way. Let me select another currency pair. Remember, the color of the doji candle does not matter. It could be red, it could be green. It doesn't matter. But what is happening in the market before it formed that doji? It can be, you remember, they say, when there is an uptrend. So when it's going up, first, the candle is going to be what? It's going to be green. But when it forms this type of candle, the color will equally change to red, which is to signify what? A reversal in the market. I believe there is a type of, I drop a particular graphics on the channel, if I'm not mistaken, which indicates or shows that kind of reversal. So let's see here. Exactly. So that is the gravestone doji they are seeing up there, which is what? Which is this. So whenever it shows like that, there is always a what? A reversal, which is now the coming down. That's why you see what? You see sell. This is the reason why I said that most of you should have these graphics print out from the cafe, so that you'll be able to place it before you run through it every time, and it's going to give you more reason to. This is the other type of what? Of the doji, the dragonfly doji. We also go in there, but whenever there is a dragonfly doji from down, you see that you can now buy. And then this is the greystone doji, which we are talking about now. And then whenever it appears on the market like that, it means the market is going to be on the reversal side, because the market has been buying before that doji, that greystone doji. Now it means that buyers still want to be maintaining the uptrend, but seller push it to this. Now there is every possibility that the market is going to be what? Going to be going down, and that's the reason why you see it that way. So that is a perfect example of a gravestone doji. Now we go to dragonfly doji. This is the type of doji I just explained, where from that graphics, where this type of doji display below, it means that the market will start what? Will start buying, and then from that point you do what? You buy in the market for. This is the dragonfly, like I just explained to you guys. This is the dragonfly. And after the display, the market start buying. But the greystone, after it starts selling. So know the difference from here for you to be able to what? To enter the market accordingly. So that is the dragonfly. Now we go to what? The long-legged doji. While the long-legged doji has long upper and lower wicks, showing that both buyers and sellers have strong moves during the section. But neither side won. This represents heightened indecision and volatility in the market. This place, it means that buyers are so strong, sellers are so strong. It is not very, very advisable for you to make any decision at this point, because you don't know who is going to take the market. I strongly believe you understand what Forex is all about. Forex, the dominating side, the most powerful side is the winning side. So if the buyers are too much in the market, they are buying. That is the favorable side at the moment. And when there is too much selling, that is the favorable side at the moment. So when you feel like, okay, the market is going to buy, there will be a lot of buyers in the market. You feel like the market is going to settle, the number of sellers will be more than those of the buyer. So when there is a strong move, when there is a strong indecision like this, like the buyers are so strong, the sellers are so strong, it is not the right time for you as an experienced trader to what? To trade in the market. So these are the type of doji candle that we have, which have already what? Represented them on these graphics that you are seeing, the dragon, the greystone doji. These are the two type of doji that I said. The third one, which I just explained, is the what? Is the one that's called long leg doji, which means that the buyer and the seller, they have much power. So in that, you will not be able to decide whether the market is going to be on the buying side or on the selling side. So it is preferable, or okay, you don't take any decision. You wait for confirmation. You confirm the market. If the market is going to be on the buying side, and then you see that the power of the seller is becoming weak, supported with your strategy, you can then start buying in the market for just 1 minute, or whatsoever work for you. So that is just it. So as we are explaining, for us to confirm the normal strategy that we used to use, I am going to take trade so that we confirm them. So like I used to say before, that whenever the market, the moving averages crosses a red candle, there is always a downtrend. And as you can see, it crosses it at this point, the market been going bearish, which if you look at the selling candle over here, it is lying below the red line, which means that the market have every tendency of going down from that point. That's the reason why I enter the market. So let's wait and see what become of the trade. As the trade is running, let me also check another. At this point, you can buy here for 1 minute. I strongly believe you guys understand the reason why I bought at that point for 1 minute.